Hey you guys, this is me, your Johnson, and I am here back to my vlogs. So this time we are actually preparing our school, our program for the upcoming backyard encampment 2024. So before that day, there is what we call symposium, and here are my kids under my section. They are actually listening to a symposium about fire and safety and also about anti-bullying. So they are having fun, and ang isa na is nakatulog. Bilardo ko siya gabi. And so much for that. Late at night, we are already preparing our activities. That's why it's me and our assistant rover circle manager Francis Daniel is preparing our bridge of no return, in which we are having fun. And while he is preparing his the tool, the activity, we have come to the point where we laugh about the song Ice Cream Yummy, and then we really had a fun time during that night. And right after that, we then head to sleep after na-fix na ang mga activities. And in the morning, here is the activity. No, we are already preparing. The activity had started. I forgot to video about the investiture, but here is the fun part in which kids or all the scouters moist were actually having fun. As you can see there, diba? The boys and the girls are having fun about the activity. So before they started their activity, they have to perform their yell, of course. So I will be letting you hear the yell later on as we finish the video. And after they have gone with their yell, they will then proceed to the activity, of course. This guy here is named Rimart Palapar, and he is so happy because he joined the activity because, as he said, it was his first time to join. No, the other kids and scouts are also joining the activity day. So it's actually 3 days. So they are having fun. You can see there Mr. Palapar and Miss Bandoy and the rest of the crews having fun. So after the commando crawl, we then proceed to the bridge of no return. Dili ka siya kabugan, but it can also be something like could make you feel excited. Of course, no? Even the girls love this. They are the ones who are in charge for this is actually giving them instructions what to do in order to reach to the other end. There, as you can see there, may nag-a-assist. Ayan, sa Disney Princess. O, ayan, o. Parang wala lang nangyari. Parang puro tabok lang sa bridge. Yes, of course. And for him, it was so easy daw. Wow, sana all. And of course, hindi na patalo ang aking pamangkin, si Godfrey. No, di ba? Dahil nandiyan din mga hanas kay siya mula tayo PC. Di ba? Lavanism. And also, we have here, hindi talaga mawawala ang MOP dance or the Messenger of Peace dance. No, ayan, no? This is part actually of their module. So there are 2 categories for our module. We have the A and the B. The A will proceed to the wet, and B will proceed to the dry. No? You can see there the scouts having fun. And also, I am there, no? The one na naka-white. Okay, we are performing the MOP dance. Even though we have a few we have a few time to practice, but still we manage somehow. No? Ayan. No, those are my performers for the MOP dance. Soon, we'll be having another fun activity for the next school year. And still, dili mawala ang atong MOP dance. No? Dili halata ang ikapoy na si Sir. Diba? Hindi na kay kaayo ang yung mga stepping. Yes. So, after this activity, there are still a lot of things to be prepared because right after this night will be our campfire. So after the dance, they will then proceed to the next activity, or next module somehow. So there are 8 modules to be exact, 4 for wet, 4 for dry activity. So this is what we call the MOP dance, or the Messenger of Peace dance. Yes. Alright. So hindi pa tapos ang dance, but some of the preparations here were actually conducted by me and my core groups, which includes the senior crew leader, assistant senior crew leader, together with the assistant reverse circle manager and my senior patrol leader. So as you can see here, it's most of them are actually the first timers, or first time join so scouting community. So the night before the activity, there is what we call the investiture program, wherein we conducted it prior as acceptance for those who are new to the community as well. So the ones who lead the activity are actually part of the core group. So here is the night of during the campfire. So we have a lot of things we conducted here, presentation, but suddenly nag-ulan. So mo siya nahitabo. Dito mi nagstay sa among grandstand. So this is the performance of my grade, of my scouters, including it is actually a joint BSP GSP school-based camp program. Ayan, they are having so much fun about this, and we conducted the Benedictine, and yeah, that's it. And the morning after that is the closing program. So prior to the closing program, we conducted some community engagement where we are going to clean their areas prior to going home and prior to the closing program. So that is our assistant reverse circle manager, Francis Estanyol. Ayan, no? And this is it. These are the scouts, no? The scouts of Moist. Ayan, no? They are actually preparing for their breakfast. This is our school. Look how beautiful it is as the sun rises. Very nice on sun. And here some of the scouts are already done cooking, so most of them are now eating. As you can see there, nagluto pa siya na si madam. Hi madam. Of course. Ayan, see, kana siya, bago na siya nga scout, together with the other scouts as well, no? Some of them na problema silang lutuon, na problema silang pagkaon, o ba naglalisay pa kung unsay unang mahitabo silang activity. Ayan, yung iba na tinabang they are having fun actually, and we are having fun, no? Salamat kang ate who prepared the food. She is so kind, no? She doesn't want nga young member of the family, member of the pack will be left behind. And at this part here, we are also waiting for our breakfast. We have our core groups to prepare. So these are my scouts, no? Our team to prepare the activities, diba? So mo dili ka halata nga gibagyo mi na gabi during our grand campfire. So one hapon, we were able to make it naman somehow, and we are happy because of the success of this activity. Ayan, so akala niyo picture yun pala video, of course naman. And yan, nakain na yung iba. They are now starting to eat their breakfast. And pasensya sa gibag thing. Another is they are eating their breakfast. They are having fun. And some of them are kasi makakwasyon ta kung nalipay ba siya or wala sa iyang food nga gikaon, no? But that is how scouting life is, no? Ayan si kuya, ang sarap ng kain niyo. Ayan, no? Ayan. Okay. Okay. So this is the part where I'm going to let them eat for 30 minutes. That includes their preparation for another activity, and after that we will then proceed to the closing ceremony where I wasn't able to video. So this is Nisha, no? Kain lang tayo sis. Ayan. Oh, ayan. Okay. So it's almost at the end now of this video, and I am so happy that we were able to finish our task and our objectives for the day. So this day is actually Sunday, so most of our audios that was sent or that was played were more like Sunday songs, for Sunday songs. Yeah. Ayan. So, nagsiya na si Haring Adlaw. Nagpakita na siya. And then, ayan. So, most of them are now eating their breakfast. And most of them are now preparing for the meal. Ayan. No? This is Milford. And that is Pendon. Nahihiya pa siya sa camera eh. Ayun yung isa oh. Oh, diba? So, we are done with our activity and somehow we were able to finish it, and thanks to the school administration. So that's it for my video. Thank you so much for watching until the end of it. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next video. This is your Johnson. Bye.